Ningbo Xinding Electric Appliances Company Limited is a professional factory engaged in the research, development, and sales of various steam irons, handheld garment steamers, steam station irons, steam generator irons. For ironing industry, we always focus on R&D and sales of high-end steam irons in the field of small household appliances. The introduction of advanced management strategy has laid a solid foundation for the sustainable development of the enterprise. Xinding Electric Appliances covers a total area of 40,144 square meters, with a total number of 346 people. We are located in Ciqi, Ningbo, China, with a very convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control, reasonable and competitive prices, timely delivery, and thoughtful customer service. Our steam irons are well sold to most of world regions and countries like Europe, Middle East, North America, South American, and some other countries. In addition, we have obtained many internationally accepted quality system certificates like ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, BSCI certificates. We established our own lab to handle various tests to fully guarantee a stable quality. We welcome your factory visit to us to discuss more and detailed potential business cooperation between us. We expect to establish a pleasant and mutually beneficial business relationship with your company and develop a long-term business cooperation together.